From wanting to drive luxury cars, the trend has now shifted to wanting to own electric cars. And the one car maker that the world looks up to for a perfect blend of both is Tesla. Tesla's clean energy electric cars have been catching quite the fancy of affluent Indians over the last couple of years. And keeping his promise to Tesla fans, Elon Musk brought his company to India in 2021. Tesla India Motors was officially registered as a company in India in January 2021. However, even though it has been a year, the brand has been unable to launch even a single model in the country. So what's stopping Tesla from steering its way into the Indian automobile market? Simply put, the union government and Tesla are locked in a tug-of-war over tax breaks. While the centre is adamant on promoting Make in India, Tesla is holding its ground on importing only fully assembled cars into India, at least for now. According to the government, Tesla has demanded a 40% slash in import duties while making no commitment on producing in India. Completely assembled cars imported to India are currently taxed at 60% for vehicles costing below 40 lakh rupees and 100% for vehicles with prices above 40 lakh rupees. The import duty also takes into consideration factors like engine size, cost, insurance, and freight value. On the other hand, import duties range from 15 to 30% on car parts which are assembled in India. The centre has asked Tesla to set up either local assembling units or manufacturing plants for its cars in the country to avoid the 100% tax slab. But Tesla has been pushing for a cut in import duty which will enable the company to sell cars at competitive rates in the Indian market. Importing fully built cars would make Tesla vehicles unaffordable in the Indian market given the existing tax rates. According to estimates, a fully imported Model 3 Tesla car could cost anywhere between 50 to 60 lakh in India, going by the current tax rates. However, the government is firm that Tesla will only be able to get benefits under the production-linked incentive scheme if it manufactures locally. Speaking at a conclave in October, Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari speculated that the price of Tesla cars will start from around 35 lakh rupees in India if the car maker opts for domestic production. India has also asked Tesla to consider importing knocked-down units or partially built vehicles instead of fully built units. The government believes that this would lead to setting up of assembling units across the country, which in turn would generate jobs. Tesla, however, has no immediate plans of setting up domestic manufacturing facilities anywhere in India. It seems to be cautious about treading into the Indian automobile market and does not want to commit to domestic manufacturing until it can gauge sales response in India. Tesla's current plans for launching in India have been drawn with the idea of importing fully built Tesla cars into the country from its manufacturing units in China. On February 8, the Minister of State for Heavy Industries, Krishan Pal Gurjar, told the Lok Sabha that there cannot be a situation where the market is India but jobs are created in China, making it clear that Tesla is unlikely to get any tax exemptions. Tesla's skepticism is also not unfounded. India's automobile sector is still dominated by cheap petrol and diesel-powered cars. Also, electric vehicles account for less than 1% of total sales in India. This despite government allowing customers tax exemptions of up to 1.5 lakh rupees when paying off EV loans. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has also declared that electric vehicles will be exempted from registration fees during issuance and renewal. Scarcity of required supporting infrastructure for EVs like reliable and easy-to-access charging stations are another setback for the growth of EVs in India. On January 13, replying to a tweet inquiring about Tesla's launch in India, Elon Musk stated that the challenges with the Indian government were hindering its rollout. Since then, over the last 1 month, several state governments like Telangana, West Bengal, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu have invited Musk to partner with their states in launching Tesla in the country. However, unless Tesla sorts its issues out with the centre, such proposals from the state government will not see the light of day. A Federal Report.